Hello airsoft addicted. This is a tutorial how to make a grenade launcher, the cheapest one possible. This is the smallest party popper that I found in my local shops. It's less than $1. So what's the idea? Inside there's an air cylinder that propels the confetti. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut it, just a little cut here, so we can insert some BBs. There are two ways: either you can make a small cut and then insert BBs, or you can remove some of the confetti and then seal it off, not to lose the BBs. Let me do the second option, to remove some confettis. So inside is full of confetti rolls, like this. So I'll remove some of them. As you can see, it's full. Alright, let me take this all apart. So here are all the confettis. Inside there's the propelling system. It's a compressed air, so you can leave some inside for fun. I'll leave half of them, and then let me take this away from the working field. And then here is my homemade BB loader. So here we have some BBs. We can put some, let me take some towels, some napkins to fill up. So it's not rattling anymore. And then just take some scotch tape. Where is it? Right here. Alright, let me cut it. So just take some scotch tape, put it over. And that's it. Here's your little grenade launcher. I'll go outside and test it to see the range and how it works, okay? Sometimes I prefer to do small cuts here to help the scotch tape to tear faster, so not to hold the BBs when the system is activated. Alright, that's it. Let me know what you think, and if you have other ideas, let me know. Alright, so here we are to do the field test. I have 3 poppers now. One, it's the one that I filled up in the previous video. There's another one which I had only filled up with the BBs, so I didn't remove anything, and this one that I remove everything, put BBs and then a tissue, and then BBs and then another tissue. Okay, so this is what I have. Right, let's see. We're gonna test it on this tree. There is a jacket there at about 3 meters away distance. Alright, let's start with this one that I have filled up only with BBs and I didn't remove anything. Okay, ready? Okay, so it looks like 3 meters, it's a long range. Let's test the other ones. Okay, I'll move more on the back. Alright, let me see which one. Anyway, let's see which one. Alright, let's try again now. I'll move myself here. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's really powerful. The BBs, they went with high speed on the trees, so looks like now I'm at 4 meters away distance. Alright, let's try to shoot on that tree. Come closer, please. Alright, let's try it from here. Okay, so now I can say I'm at about 13, 14 meters away. Let's see. Come closer with the camera. Let's see if you can catch closer, please. Closer and focus on here. Closer. Okay, let's try now. So I will shoot on that tree. So this is the party popper filled with BBs that I made as a grenade launcher. Oh, so right, this was the one half BBs, half confetti. So anyway, the BBs, they went straight there. So it's a good range to use this as a grenade launcher, yeah? Yeah, looks like it's working, yeah? If you want to have fun in your airsoft game, do as I did and have fun, okay?